Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowvera English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma.
If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we're making English fun, natural, and super useful, just like two friends chatting over, well, coffee.
Exactly. Last episode, we learned how to greet people and introduce ourselves. Today, we're leveling up with something every American does almost every day, ordering coffee like a real American.
Oh man, this is a big one. In the US, coffee isn't just a drink, it's a whole culture. Whether you're at Starbucks, Dunkin, or your local cafe, you've got to know the lingo or you'll stand there saying, forever.
True, but don't worry, we're going to make it easy and fun. By the end of this episode, you'll sound like you've been ordering American coffee your whole life. Ready?
Let's start with the basics. First, the sizes. Americans don't usually say small, medium, large. They say
Tall, small, Grande, medium, and Venti, large. Some places even have Trenza for extra large cold drinks.
Then the drinks. Here are the most popular ones. Black coffee, just plain coffee. Latte, espresso with lots of steamed milk. Cappuccino, espresso with foam on top. Mocha, chocolate plus espresso plus milk. Americano, espresso plus hot water. And Frappuccino, blended iced drink, super popular in summer.
And don't forget the customizations. Americans love making their coffee exactly how they want it. You'll hear extra shot, non-fat or skim milk, oat milk or almond milk, extra foam, sugar-free syrup, half calf, half regular, half decaf.
Here's how a real order sounds. Listen carefully.
Hi, can I get a grande vanilla latte with oat milk and extra foam, please?
Sure. That'll be $6.75. Name for the order?
Emma.
See? Short, clear, and polite. You say hi or hey, then your full order, then please. Super easy.
Now let's do a full role play together so you can hear it flow naturally. Alex, you're the customer this time.
Hey there. Good morning. Can I get a Venti iced caramel macchiato with almond milk and 2 extra shots?
Absolutely. Would you like whipped cream on that?
Yes, please.
Great. That'll be $7.45. And your name?
Alex, thanks.
Perfect. Notice how we added good morning and thanks. That little extra politeness makes you sound like a local.
Quick tip from me. If you're nervous, you can always say, I'd like a, or can I please get a? It feels more natural than just listing everything.
Okay, your turn. Pause the video right now and practice out loud with us. Imagine you're at the counter. Say, hey, can I get a grande mocha with skim milk, please? Go ahead. We'll wait.
Awesome job. You're already sounding like a pro.
One last thing. Payment and pickup. When they call your name, just say thank you or thanks so much and smile. That's it.
If you want to take it even further, you can ask questions like, what's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino? Or can I add a pump of hazelnut syrup?
You've got this.
All right, everyone. That's how you order coffee like a real American. Next episode, we're going to learn how to order food at a restaurant because after coffee, you're probably going to want breakfast.
If you enjoyed today's episode, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
We love reading your comments too. Tell us what your favorite coffee order is.
See you next time.
Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.